How to change language in Outlook. Hi everyone, I'm Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook, then click on Files, which is located on top left corner of your screen. Then click on Options, which is located on bottom left. Then you'll find Language option below Search. Click on Language and you'll find all these language available. If you have other language, click on Add a Language and you'll find all these options of languages. Click on one language, then install it. After installing it, you'll be shown this kind of page. You'll find your added language in Office Authoring Language and Proofing. And then click on OK. That's how you change language in Outlook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia.